Hi students, welcome back to Seesaw. This video will show you all how to complete your daily journal that your teacher has assigned to you within Seesaw. When you first log into Seesaw, you need to go to your activities. You can get there by following the light bulb icon on the right. When you're in your activities tab, you can see all of the different assignments your teacher has assigned to you, and you're going to scroll through and find the daily journal for the specific day. Once you have found it, go ahead and read through the instructions. Or if your teacher has included, you can listen to the audio instructions instead. Once you feel like you understand the instructions, go ahead and click on the green Add a Response button. Here, you're going to be directed to your personal journal. On the first page, you'll see a couple of different things. The first thing you'll see is the date. You want to look here to make sure you're completing the correct day's journal. On the right, you'll also see all of your different subject tabs. These are all of the subjects that your teacher has taught you. Next to the subject tabs, you'll see these white icons. These are link icons. If you click on any of them, they will take you to a different page. Once I click on my icon, I'm taken to my lesson. In my lesson, you may see a text left by your teacher to read, or you may see a video. If you see a video, you can also see a little link button here, or you'll see a big play button that you can watch your video right inside of Seesaw. Once you've listened to your lesson, you need to access your assignment or your student work. You can do that by coming over to the right and clicking on the next slide, or you can also do so by going back, and if your teacher has included one, you can follow the arrow and click on the link to get to the next page. Once you click on the link, you have an assignment to complete from your teacher. You can complete the assignment a few different ways. Some assignments require you to follow a link like this one here, where again, you'll click on the little link button to get there. Some assignments require you to use tools right inside of Seesaw. You have tools to the left and tools on the bottom. Let's start with the tools on the left. This tool here with the big T allows you to add text into your workspace. You can type the text that you'd like and drag it where you need it. This microphone button allows you to speak onto your workspace. You can choose that if you need to record yourself answering a question or saying what you learned. This next icon is a photo icon. You can choose this to go ahead and take a picture of something and insert it into your activity page. You can also do the same to take a video. The three dots here will allow you to add shapes or change backgrounds. If you choose shapes, you can click and many shape options will pop up. If you need to drag something around your workspace, like this, you'll make sure that your pointer finger is selected. If you need to draw anything, you can choose between a pencil, a color pencil, a highlighter, a glow stick, or an eraser. All of these different options allow you to change the different colors that you are completing your drawing in, and the same goes for your text tools. You can change the colors of the text that you've included over here to the right. If for any reason you need to get back to your home page, there is this picture here of the front cover of your journal included on every single page. Next to it, you'll see a link icon again. If you click here, you'll be directed back to your front cover or your home page. When you're completely done with your journal and all of the pages are completed, you will go ahead and click on the green check button. If you are not yet completed with your work and you still have more work to do, you will click on the orange check mark that says draft. This will save your work exactly where you were, and you can come back and finish it when you're ready. Again, if you are still working on your journal, save it where you are by clicking on the orange check mark here where it says draft. This will allow you to go back in and continue to work on your journal throughout the day. If you are completely done with your journal and you are ready to turn it into your teacher, you will choose the green check mark. This will submit it into your teacher for grading. Once you click on the draft button here, you will be asked if you would like to save it as a draft. When you do, you'll see it in your activities area in your journal, and you'll see an orange bar above it, which tells you that this activity is in draft mode. It has not yet been submitted to your teacher, and you are still able to work on it. When you are working on your draft, you can go ahead and click on the option that says Finish Response. Then when you are completely done with your journal, you will go ahead and click on the green check mark button to completely turn it into your teacher. I hope that you guys enjoy completing your daily journals in Seesaw. Thank you.